In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable mature content on Steam. By the end, you'll have mature content enabled in your Steam store preferences, so titles with adult or sensitive themes can appear in your browsing and search results based on the options you choose. First, enable in Settings. We'll do that directly from your Steam account preferences so the store can show mature content. Now, open Steam. If the client is already running, bring it to the front so you can see the home screen. Next, click your profile name in the top right corner. This opens a small menu for your account options. From here, click Store Preferences. This takes you to the page where you control what types of content the Steam store shows. On this page, go to Mature Content. If you don't see it right away, I'll scroll a bit until you reach the section labeled Mature Content. This is where Steam lists the content types that are hidden by default for many users. Now, check all content types you want to show. Click each checkbox to allow those categories to appear while you browse or search the Steam store. If any category sounds unfamiliar, hover over its label to see a short description. You're only changing what's visible to you in the store, not installing or buying anything. You can come back and adjust these checkboxes at any time. Once you've selected the content you want visible, click Save. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page, then click it once. Steam will confirm your preferences are updated. If you don't click Save, your changes won't apply. That's it. Mature content is now enabled in your Steam store preferences, and the categories you selected will start appearing in your browsing and search results right away. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.